Okay, today we're going to talk about solving absolute value equations. So you've just solved some linear equations, and let's recall what absolute value means. So the absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on the number line. That means that if you're standing at 5, you're 5 units from 0, and if you're standing at -5, you're also 5 units away. Okay? Absolute value is a distance, therefore it is always positive. So if you look at this expression, the absolute value of x, x could equal 5 or it could equal -5. It could be one of the two. And we're not sure which one it is. So this is key when you're solving absolute value problems in general. And that is that an absolute value always generates two possibilities in your mind. You always have to consider that x could have been 5 or it may have been -5, and that fact is kind of disguised by the fact that we have taken the absolute value of it. So let's see what this means when we solve an equation. Alright, solve for y, in the expression 2y minus 4 equals 12. The absolute value of 2y minus 4 equals 12. Well, how do you deal with an absolute value bars? It doesn't really have an opposite, so we have to fall back on this little fact that the absolute value of something may be the positive, as it appears, or we have to consider that it could be the opposite value. So in solving problems, how we deal with this is we have to make two separate problems. So I can say that 2y minus 4, it may equal 12, this is true, or 2y minus 4 may equal -12, and when you took the absolute value of it, you just came out with a positive 12. Now I've got two equations, but both of them are workable. So on the left, I'm going to add 4 and then divide by 2, and on the right, we're also going to add 4 and then divide by 2. Notice that I didn't get the same answer because the -12 and the positive 12 are going to accept that addition of 4 a little bit differently. So please don't fall for it. You're not going to get the same answer, usually, on these. Now, it's also important to check your answer. So 2 times 8 minus 4 is 12, and 2 times -4 minus 4 is -12. Alright, both of those worked out, so there are two solutions, and we know they both work.